Hello children, welcome to YouTube classes of Bright Stars High School. This video is for 4th class students and the subject is maths and the topic is 6-digit numbers. So our today's topic is 6-digit numbers. So take out your term books and turn to page number 64. Take out your term and turn to page number 64. Okay. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. The greatest 5-digit number. 5-digit number lo greatest. Greatest ante enti? Peddadi. Smallest ante chinnadi. So greatest 5-digit number enti ante 99,999. సో ఈ గ్రేటెస్ట్ 5-digit నంబర్కి మనము 1 యాడ్ చేసామనుకోండి, మనకు ఏమొస్తుంది ఆన్సర్? 1 lakh. వాట్ డు వి గెట్? 1 lakh. 1 more than 99,999 ఈజ్, సో 1 more than అన్నారు అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? 99,999 ప్లస్ 1 we get 1 lakh. So if we see here, 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number. మనకు fill in the blanks లో కూడా ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తుంటాయి. సో the largest 5-digit number is 99,999. దానికి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే అంటే 1 more చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేది ఏంటి? స్మాలెస్ట్ 6-digit number. What do we get? We get the smallest 6-digit number. So 1 lakh is read as 1 lakh. It is the smallest 6-digit numbers. So 6 digits ఉన్నాయి కదా? Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 digits. So 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. So we get this type of questions in fill in the blanks. So we had to write the correct answer. So 1 lakh is written in the place value chart as ones 0, tens 0, hundreds 0, thousands 0, 10,000s 0 and lakhs 1. So it's a simple way of writing this in a place value chart. Next, how do we read and write 6-digit numbers? A period called lakhs is added to the left of the thousands period for writing a 6-digit number. So 6-digit number ni manamu periods lo rayali ante ela rastamu anedi ikkada they are showing us. So what do we do? A period called as lakhs. So ippudu varaki we have learned about 5-digit numbers. So in that 5-digit numbers we have only 2 periods. They are ones and thousands. But here in the 6-digit numbers we are going to have one more period called as lakhs. సో ఇక్కడ మనం రాసేటప్పుడు ఇంకొక కొత్త పీరియడ్ వచ్చింది 6-digit numbers నుంచి. దాన్ని ఏమంటున్నామంటే లాక్స్ అని అంటున్నాం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 6. Let us look the example 6. Mark periods in 3, 4, 8, 1, 5, 6 and rewrite it using commas. Read it aloud. So the first thing that we had to do is we had to count the number of digits. So మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి నంబర్లో ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనేది ఫస్ట్ we had to identify. So let us count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 digits are there, means how many periods do we get? So if we have 6 digits, we have 3 periods. So first let us write the 3 periods. Ones, thousands and lakhs. So in ones we have 3 places. Ones, tens, hundreds. And in thousands we have 2 places. Thousands, 10,000s. And in lakhs we have 1 place, that is lakhs. So in ones, so first we have counted the number of digits. So there are 6 digits. So which number is in ones place? 6. So we have written in 6. 6 in ones place. Next, Next number is 5. So we have written 5 in tens place. Next number is 1. We have written 1 in hundreds place. Next number is 8. 8 we have written in thousands place. And then we get 4. 4 is in 10,000s place. And then we have 3. 3 is in lakhs place. So first what should we do? To write a 6-digit number, group the digits in the ones, thousands and lakhs periods using commas. So మనము ఎక్కడ కామాస్ పెట్టాలనేది కూడా we have learnt in during the classes of 5-digit numbers. For a 6-digit number, so where should we group the numbers? We have to group the periods according to ones, thousands and lakhs. So when are we keeping the commas? We are keeping the commas after ones place, and then after thousands, and then after lakhs. So the first 3 digits are in the ones period, and then we have thousands, and then we have lakhs. So 156. We put a comma. And after the thousands period, again we put a comma. So with commas, we write 3,48,156. Read the digits in the lakhs period together. Follow it by the digits in the thousands period and then by the digits in the ones period. So ఈ digits అన్నిటిని కూడా ఎలా చదవాలి అంటే lakhs period లో ఉన్న digits ని ఒకటేసారి చదవాలి. ఆ తర్వాత 1000 పీరియడ్లో ఉన్న డిజిట్స్ని ఒకటేసారి చదవాలి. And then the digits that are in the ones period, we had to read the lakhs period together and the thousands period together and then the ones period also together. So what is the answer? The given number is written as 3,48,156. It is read as 3,48,156. Okay, let us look into the next example. Write 654271 in the place value chart. Rewrite it using commas. So what should we do? We have to rewrite it using commas. So okay, so we have 6 digits here. So what should we do? First we will write in the place value chart. 1 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place, 4 in thousands, 5 in 10,000s and 6 in lakhs. So then we will keep commas. When do we keep the commas? The digits that are in the ones period, before the digits in the ones period, and then before the digits in the thousand period, and then in the lakhs. So then the answer is the given number is written as 6,54,271 and it is read as 6,54,271. So this is very easy and simple concept which you can learn and understand easily. So let us now look how to write the 6-digit numbers on an abacus. So it is very easy to represent numbers on the abacus. In our example 8, they have asked us to represent 9,482 and 3,69,804 on the abacus. So this is very easy. 9,482. So we have here, how many digits we have? We have 6 digits. So 2 comes in ones place. So we had to draw 2 beads. And then 8 comes in tens place. So we had to draw 8 beads on the tens line. And then 4 comes in hundreds place. So you had to draw 4 beads on hundreds line. And then there is no number here. So 0. So if there is 0, no need of drawing any bead. And then the last you have lakhs. So how many lakhs? 9 lakhs. So you had to draw 9 beads. Next, 3,69,804. So here also in the same way, 4 in ones place, draw 4 beads, and then you have 0, so no need of drawing any beads, and then you have 8 in hundreds place, so you had to draw 8 beads in hundreds place, and then 9 in thousands place, so 9 beads in thousands place, and 6 in 10,000s place, so draw 6 beads in 10,000s place, and finally you have 3. So in lakhs place you have 3 lakhs, so draw 3 beads so that your abacus will be easy to represent. So this is our representation on an abacus. Mental maths. Look at the number 7,83,425 and write the digit that is in hundreds place, lakhs place, tens place, and in ones place. So how many digits are there here? 6 digits are there. So which digit is in hundreds place? 4. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and lakh. So hundreds place. So which number is in hundreds place? 4. Next, lakhs place. Which digit is in lakhs place? 7. Tens place? 2. And in ones place we have 5. Okay. So now next, B. Write the number that is 100 more than 7,52,607. So ikkada manaku question em adigaru, 100 more in more than 7,52,607. So which number is in hundreds place? 6. So 6th place ki 100 more add cheste emostundi 700. So 7,52,707. Next, 100 more than 4,86,000. So in hundreds place you have 0. So you can add 100 there. 4,186,000. Next example. Write the place value of each digit in the number. Turn to page number 66. We shall look into the example number 9. Write the place value of each digit in the number 8,34,621. So ikkada we have got the 6 digit numbers. So manaki ikkada em icharu 6 digit numbers unnai. 6 digit numbers ni first manamu dani yokka place values rasam. Ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands place, 10,000s place, and lakhs. So 1 or 1. Next, tens lo emundi 2 tens or 20. 6 hundreds or 600. 4,000s, thousands place we have 4. 4,000s are 4,000. So numerical ga aina raichu ledante you can write in words. Next, 3 10,000s or 30,000s, and then last we have 8 lakhs or 8 lakhs. Next, write the expanded form of 3,98,672. So first we have to write the place value. So place value rasna tarvata we have to write the expanded form. So first ones place lo we have 2 ones or 2, and tens place we have 7 tens or 70, and in hundreds place we have 6 hundreds or 600, 8 and in thousands place we have 8,000s or 8,000, and in 10,000s place we have 9 10,000s or 90,000, and then we have 3 lakhs or 3 lakh. So numbers they have written in words and then in numbers. Okay, expanded form ni ela rayali? So first ikkada 3 lakhs plus 9 10,000s plus 8,000s plus 600s plus 7 tens plus 2 ones. Okay, so next 3 lakhs plus చూడండి ఇక్కడ 3 lakhs plus 90,000 plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 2. So now can you tell me the expanded form of 8,34,621? So the expanded form of 8,34,621 is equals to 8 lakhs plus 3 10,000s plus 4 thousands plus 600s plus 2 tens plus 1 ones. So that we will write in figures. 8 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 1. So like that you can complete the exercise. Children, it is very easy for you to complete the exercise. You can complete it on your own. So I will give you some of the hints and you can do your exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 lo first A section lo first bit and second bit are over. Now we look into the third bit. So this is a 6-digit number abacus. Identi 6-digit number abacus. So we have to count how many numbers are there in one's place. How many beats are there in one's place? Count
5.
So write 5. In tens place
10.
7 tens.
7.
And in hundreds place how many beats are there?
4.
4 hundreds. Thousands place
1.
1,000. And in 10,000s, how many 10,000s?
8.
8 10,000s or 80,000. And in lakhs place
2.
2. So how can you tell? Can you tell the expanded form? Or you can tell the number names. So tell these number names of the 6-digit. 2,81,475. So children, you had to open your maths notebook and you had to copy what and all exercise you are doing. So ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనము రివిజన్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కంప్లీట్ చేసాము. బట్ ద ఎక్సర్సైజ్ షుడ్ బి రిటన్ ఇన్ యువర్ నోట్బుక్స్. We shall go to section B. Section B. Mark the periods using commas and write the numbers in words. So mark the periods using commas and write the numbers. So see first one 81,576. So where should we keep the comma? Before 3 digits. So 81,576. And then what should you do? We have to write the numbers in words. మనం ఈ నంబర్స్ని వర్డ్స్లో రాయాలి. ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? 81,576. ఓకే. So in B, first one 81,576. $81,576. Okay. Next, second one. What is the second one? 10010. So put the comma before 3 digits. So we can write 10,000 and 10 because there is no digit in hundreds place. Hundreds place lo a digit ledu kabatti we have written like this. Next, the third question. 95,212. So put the comma before 3 digits. 95 thousand 200 and 12. Fourth one. So fourth one is a 6-digit number. 437,005. So first we had to keep comma before 3 digits and then before 2 digits. So this will be in lakhs place. So 4 lakh 37,000 and 5. 4,37,000 and 5. You can put lakhs also. Fifth question, fifth bit. Three lakhs, and in thousands place there is no number. There is no value for these two numbers. So 715. See, we have to write together 3 digits ఉన్న ones place లో ఉన్న 3 digits ని together రాయాలి. thousands place లో ఉన్న 2 digits ని ఒకసారి రాయాలి and last లో ఉన్న దాన్ని ఒకసారి రాయాలి. So this is our section B. So మీరు you had to write very neatly. You had to write the question also. Mark the periods using commas and write the numbers in words. So you have to write very neatly in your notebook. So this is how you write in your notebook. Fine. Next, write in figures. So ikkada figures lo rayali. They have given the number names. You have to write the figures. Come on, read the first question. Jeremy Prince in section C. First question. Take out to page number 67. Read the first question in C bit.
47,924.
So 47,924. This is our answer. Next, second question. Read the second question.
7,007.
7,007. So after 7 we had to put the comma. Next. 8 lakh.
8,52,174.
So 8 lakh 52,000. Keep a comma. 174. Okay. Read the next question. Read the fourth question.
3,45,550.
550. 3,45,000. 45,515. See children, chala easy ga undi kada. Is it easy, Jeremy Prince?
Easy.
It's easy. You should give answers in sentences, not in words. Is it easy?
Easy.
Yes, it is easy.
Yes, it is easy.
Next, fifth question. Read Jeremy. 5 lakh
5 lakh 200
200
239.
అని లేదు, 5,239. సో 5 lakh. నెక్స్ట్ థౌజండ్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఏం వాల్యూ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి 0 0 239. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ our C section. Section C, writing in figures. Next, in D, we have write in words. What do we have in D? Write in words. So, సెక్షన్ సి కూడా మీరు నోట్స్లో రాయాలి. సో ఇక్కడ స్పేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి నేను రాశాను, బట్ యూ హ్యాడ్ టు రైట్ ఇన్ యువర్ నోట్బుక్. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ షుడ్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ యువర్ నోట్బుక్. And after your notebook is completed, you had to come to the school for correction. Okay, write in words. First one, 37,405. So how do you write in words? 37,000, 405. Okay, second one. Can you tell second one? 80,000, 32. Third one, 3,47,118. 3 lakh. 6 digits are there. 3 lakh. 47,000. 118. Next, fourth one. 4, 19, 649. 4 lakh 19,000 649. Fifth one. What's the fifth question? 8 8 lakh 30,000 300. Okay, so let us read this section B. ఇప్పుడు మనం సెక్షన్ B ని చదువుకుందాం. రిపీట్ ఆఫ్టర్ మీ. 37,000 405. Second one, 80,000 32. Third one, 3 lakh 47,000 118. Fourth one, 4 lakh 19,000 649. Don't go fast. Fifth one, 8 lakh 30,000 300. Okay, next question. E. Give the standard numeral for each of the following. So, మనం ఒక స్టాండర్డ్ న్యూమరల్ ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ 8670 ప్లస్ 5. సో హౌ డు వి రైట్ ఇట్? 8675. నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి 9 lakhs. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ 9 lakhs ప్లస్ 70,000 ప్లస్ 6,000 ప్లస్ 500 ప్లస్ 10 ప్లస్ 4. సో 6 digit నంబర్లో అన్నీ కూడా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ ఫర్ అస్ టు రైట్. సో 9,70,000 ప్లస్ 6,000 కాబట్టి 76,500 ప్లస్ 4 tens, 1 tens and 4 ones. 9,76,514. Next one 6 10,000s plus 6 tens plus 5 ones. 6 10,000s అంటే ఎంత? 60,000s. 60,000s plus 6 tens అంటే 60 plus 5 కాబట్టి 60,000 65. 60,000 65. So 8 lakhs plus 110,000 plus 3,000 plus 700. So 8 lakhs 10,000s place లో 1, 1000s place లో 300s, and in 1's place and 10's place we don't have any number. కాబట్టి 8,13,700. Now last one. So with this F bit we shall complete our 2.1 exercise. Write the place value of each of the following. So ఇప్పుడు మనం place values రాయాలి. 58,014. 58,014 అంటే ఏంటిది? 5 digit number కదా. సో 5 digit number will have 1000. 58,014. So 4 is in which place? 1's place. 1 is in 10's place. 0 is in 100's place. And then 8 is in 1000's place. And 5 is in 10,000's place. So what should we do? So ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలి? 4 is in 1's place అంటే 4. 1 is in 10's place. 1 tens are 10. 100's place లో ఏం లేదు. You can keep it blank or you can put 3 zeros. Next 1000's place, what do we have? 8,000. 10,000's we have 50,000. సో ఈ రకంగా మనం రాయాలి. ఓకే, వెరీ ఈజీ. యూ కెన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్ ఇన్ అవర్ ప్రీవియస్ పేజ్ 66 పేజ్లో సేమ్ ఇదే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మీరు అది చూసైనా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి మీరే ఓన్గా రాయొచ్చు. విల్ యూ డూ దిస్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్? ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు డూ ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్, పాజ్ దిస్ వీడియో అండ్ డూ ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్. తర్వాత మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, హ్యావ్ యూ కంప్లీటెడ్ డూయింగ్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్?
Yes.
Have you completed the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how many digits are there? 6 digits are there. So, first write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So, now it is easy for us to write the place value. So, 8. 8 is in 1's place. So, write 8. And then 6 is in 10's place. So, how many tens will be there? 6 tens. That means 60. Next, in hundreds place, which digit is there? 5. So, how many hundreds will be there? 500s. ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉంటే అంత చెప్పుకోవాలి. 500. Next, in thousands. How many thousands are there? 3. So, we have 3,000. And then we have 1 in 10,000's place. That means 10,000. 10,000. And then in lakhs, we have 7 lakhs. Okay, so that's the end of our video. We shall look into the next class in our next video. Okay, children, bye. Until then, take care.